Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove formulas from your data in Google Sheets while keeping the actual values safe and sound. Whether you're sharing a spreadsheet with a colleague or just want to tidy things up, this step-by-step guide will make sure you have clean, formula-free numbers at the end. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily strip away formulas without losing the data you worked so hard to calculate. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've got a spreadsheet where you've calculated a bunch of totals using formulas, maybe for sales numbers or grading, and now you need to send it to someone who shouldn't see how those numbers were calculated, just the results. How do we do that? Well, the first step is pretty straightforward. Start by selecting the data that has the formulas you want to remove. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging your mouse over the range, or if it's a big table, you can click on the first cell, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last cell in the range. This way, you'll highlight everything you want to convert from formulas to plain numbers. Make sure you don't miss any cells, especially if your formulas are spread out, a common pitfall. Next, once you've got your selection, it's time to copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or just use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Don't worry if the whole area gets that moving dashed border around it. That's just Google Sheets' way of saying, yep, I've got your data ready to paste. Take a breath here, nothing's changed yet in your original data. Now comes the most important part, pasting the values so the formulas disappear. If you just use the regular paste, Ctrl+V, you'll end up pasting the formulas, which is not what we want. Instead, you're going to use a special paste, literally called Paste Special. There are two quick ways to do this. The fastest is with a keyboard shortcut. Hold down Ctrl+Shift+V on your keyboard. For Mac users, that's Command+Shift+V. This might feel a bit awkward at first, but it's super handy once you get used to it. What this does is take whatever is in your selection and just paste the visible numbers, the actual results, not the formulas behind them. Alternatively, if you prefer using the mouse, you can right-click on the cell where you want to paste, hover over Paste Special, and choose Values Only. You'll see the numbers appear just like before, but if you click on one and look at the formula bar, you'll notice the formula is gone. All that's left is the plain value. This small step makes a big difference if you're cleaning up your data for sharing, for archiving, or for reporting. Think of it like turning a dynamic sign in a cafe window, one that automatically changes with each menu update, into a printed sign that always says the same thing. That's how pasting values works. It locks in the results exactly as they were when you copied them, no more, no less. And remember, don't worry if you make a mistake or paste over the wrong spot. That's what the undo button is for, so take your time and double check that everything looks right. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd love it if you could give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and practical Google Sheets tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.